up guys, welcome to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we are going to talk about Learn Basic. Today we are going to talk about count nouns versus non-count nouns. Now why we are going to do this? Because now we are going with nouns. Now in nouns there is the another type like count nouns and non-count nouns. Count nouns are basically the nouns that we can count. It is indefined. We like count nouns and non-count nouns. They have differentiated in between them. So today we are going to talk about some rules about it, how to use them, and we will go with count nouns and non-count nouns. Before starting our video, please like our video, share our video, subscribe our channel, and tap the bell icon for the future video notification. And see our video till the end. Now count nouns. Now count nouns can be counted like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Like now we can count a chair. Now we can count there are 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 4 chairs. Example like pen, computer, bottle, spoon, desk, chair, anything. Like which we can count, which are definite things. Like our laptop, 1 laptop, 2 laptop, 3 laptops, 1,000 laptops, 100 laptops. So like that we can count it. That is known as the count nouns. Take an S to form the plural. Now in count nouns it is not like that if it is plural so it will not be. It can be plural singular, but is it able to count? Then it's okay. Like pens, then computers, then bottles, spoons, desks, etc. Now these are in plural. These all are in plural, but then also they are just saying that there are more than one, but then also we can count them. There are 2, there are 3. Over here they are 1, but we can count them. So that's why these are also known as count nouns. Work with expressions such as a few, many, some, every, each, these, and the number of. Now why? Because example, see now, when we will talk, like they are, now we have to use these expressions to tell them how many they are. Like if there are only 2, 3 pens, there are a few pens. Then if there are a lot of pens, then many pens, there are many pens. Or like this, each pen will be given to each student. So that's why we have to use expressions such as a few, many, some, every, each, these, and the number of. Examples we have as a few pens, a few computers, many bottles, some spoons, every desk, etc. So now like this we have to use these expressions to define. Is it many? Is it a little bit like 2 or 3 only? Or else we will not understand. Like if we'll just say pens, we are not going to understand that there are how many pens, 10, 20 or just 2. So we can use these expressions to use like a few pens, a few computers. And work with appropriate articles. Now in this it is very much careful to see about the articles because it is countdown, we can count it. So that's why we have to see about what articles should come at which place. Like for example is a pen, then the computer, a bottle, the spoon, a desk. Now we have to be sure that which one should come at which place. We will have to also know about what are articles. So that's why it's very important to use appropriate articles at appropriate places. Then comes non-count nouns. Now non-count nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. They usually express a group or a type. Now, for example, like we are water. Now, water we can't count. Now, we will not just count like there is 2 water. No, it is not been counted in numbers. Yeah, because we cannot count it in numbers in these all. That's why we have used the liters and these or liters and kg. Or else we would not be able to count it. Yep. So that's why it will come in non-count nouns. Water, we can't count water, one water, 2 water. Then wood. Now there are 2 types of wood. One wood means Jungle and other means that trees barks. So trees barks also we can't just count. There is now barks if we say then we can count, but wood. 1 wood, 2 wood, 3 wood. But how much means some would be big, some would be small. So not it is not definite. That's why it also comes in non-count nouns. Then ice. Ice can also we can also not count. We can count ice cubes. But when the water is full froze to ice, how we can say that there is 2 ice, 3 ice? We can say that this much approximately this can ice cubes we can count. Air, oxygen and etc. Then work both with and without an article depending on the context of the sentence. Now, one more thing that it never has S in it. Non-count nouns never has an S in it. S in it. Why? Because it cannot be in plural as they are uncountable. Like water, we can't say waters. Wood, woods. Ice, ices. No. Then air, airs. Oxygen, oxygens. So we can't just count them. So that's why non-count nouns never we add S to the non-count nouns. Then work both with and without an article. A, an, or the, depending on the context of the sentence. Example as sugar is sweet, the sunshine is beautiful, I drink milk, etc. For this, for the non-count nouns, we have to use and not use articles. Over here, we have not used an articles in this sentence, but yes, we have used an article for this sentence. So we have to also use articles wisely as we need it. We have to add or not. We have to sometimes add it, sometimes not it. So we have to see about it. Where should what come? So today we have learned about count nouns and non-count nouns. Now, if you have been cleared about it, what we have done now, so you have to just again you can get a recap of it. If you're a little bit doubt you have, you just can see the video from the starting again or from where you want to non-count nouns or count nouns, and then you should start the quiz. I am going with a quiz and now I will write here questions. Choose all the non-count nouns in the following list. Now from this list, student, pen, water, wind, milk, computer, furniture, cup, rice, box, watch, potato and wood. Now from these words, you have to find out which are non-count nouns. Now we know count nouns are definite things and non-counts are indefinite things. Count nouns can be counted, non-count nouns cannot be counted. Count nouns we can add S, non-count nouns we cannot add S. So if you have understood it, we will just have a little bit quiz. Take a pen and paper. On that, write all the words from this. If student is student is non-count noun, you have to write student. And if it isn't, so don't write. Go for ahead one. You have to write all the non-count nouns, and at last we will just check it out. Which one are non-count? How much you have written? Correct. So now you just all pause the video, and then when you complete with the writing, and then again resume the video, to see the answers. I am going with the answers just now. So the answers are first one water, second one wind, third one milk, fourth one furniture, and the fifth one rice, and sixth one wood. Now these six are the non-count nouns from the list which we had before. Water, we can't count it. One water, two water. Wind, a wind, that would become heavy wind, we can say. There can come two types of wind. But two wind, no. Milk, we can count it like 2 bottles of milk, but we cannot count just milk. We will use an object for counting. Furniture we can count. But if furniture is given for 2 rooms are furnitured, so there are many, so you have to furniture 2 rooms. Furnitures, we will say. But over here, furniture in 1 room, if you will say, there is many furnitures. No. Rices we can't say because we can't count it. Yeah, it's definite, but then also, can you count all that small? When they will give you 1 kg, you can tell us that how many there are in 1 kg? No. And there is not definite also. If sometimes some grains should be some more big height or big weight, a lot weight, and some would be no. So it would rather that sometimes there will be less and sometimes no one is going to count it all. No, and would. So today we have learned about count nouns and non-count nouns. If you have understand, please like the video, share our video, and subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon for the future video notification. And thank you for watching our video till the end. And yeah, at last, how many ever you have got correct? Just tell us in the comment box. Bye bye.